Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the last of the three-day meeting between the BJP and RSS leadership in Delhi. Just before the Prime Minister addressed the gathering, the RSS dismissed as irrelevant the opposition Congress's charge that it is remote controlling the Modi government. The Congress has alleged that the meet is a violation of the Constitution and the government a puppet in the hands of the RSS. The RSS has stressed that this is a routine conclave and not a review of the Modi government's performance or its policies.
It's rare that a Prime Minister drives to a meeting for a critical analysis of his own government. Prime Minister Modi's cabinet colleagues had driven for the last 2 days and left after hours of fielding queries, receiving suggestions from the RSS on how to change the economic situation, strengthen national security and the education system, and how to defeat a negative perception. The political symbolism of the meet perhaps is more significant than what transpired at the conclave over the last 3 days. The Prime Minister himself, his top ministers driving in for the meeting, all in public view. It's a sign that the BJP and RSS have upgraded their kinship and have agreed that the secretiveness over this synchronization is a thing of the past. The RSS third in command underlined this new openness. With a one-time pracharak in the Prime Minister's chair, the sung was candid.
संघ के विचार के नजदीक या उस विचार से प्रेरणा लिए हुए लोग देश के सत्ता जब संभाल रहे हैं, स्वाभाविक है, कुतूहल भी है, कार्य कैसे उनके हो रहे वो भी बताएं.
If the RSS man in the BJP, Ram Madhav, denied the Sangh's push on Wednesday for one rank, one pension, his RSS elder today admitted it.
As I said, OROP implementation government is seized of the matter. Here there will be no discussion on that issue.
यहाँ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अध्यक्ष अमित भाई आए थे, उन्होंने कहा इस विषय का हम जल्दी इस मसला को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं.
2 days ago, the RSS pushed for a quick announcement on one rank, one pension. Today came the draft proposal. The opposition renewed attacks on the Sangh controlling the BJP and the government.
It is the RSS which determines the political agenda, the policies. BJP is merely a political front.
कोई भी मंत्री समाज के किसी भी समूह के CII में जाते हैं, फिक्की में जाते हैं, पत्रकारों के सामने आते हैं, अपने समाचार वो नहीं रखते हैं क्या? ऐसे हमने कहा हम इस देश के नागरिक हैं. We are not an illegal organization. We have every right to ask a minister also if necessary. Where does the question of secrecy come here?
All this points to the fact that the RSS wanted the spotlight on what it was doing, to signal that there is no drift and that Modi Sarkar is still part of the Parivar. In New Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.